What's up everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to change the battery in this Ford flip key remote fob. This key fob is going to work on the 2018 to 2023 Ford EcoSports that do not have a push button start ignition, and it's going to use replacement battery CR2032. I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. The other thing I'm going to be using to replace this key fob battery is a flathead screwdriver. So the first thing I'm going to do is grab my key fob and flip the key blade out. Then I'm going to hold the key fob with the buttons facing down, and we're taking a look in that space that key just flipped out of. And if you can see right here, there's this little notch that I'm touching with the end of the screwdriver. What I'm going to do is take my screwdriver and put it in that notch and then pry up. And as I do that, it pops this back cover up. Go ahead and pull that back cover off, and we see our battery right here. For this part, I'll use my screwdriver to help get under the edge of the battery and pop it out of that holder. Now I'll grab my new replacement battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing your new battery with the plus side up, positive side up. I'm going to tuck this edge in first down here, like that, and then snap it down into place. Then we can snap that back cover on, fold our key blade back in, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.